So today we are in Hot Springs, Arkansas, and we're gonna cruise around and check out, I guess, the bathhouses.
Yep,
where we're starting.
Bathhouses, and see how long we can tolerate the heat, since it's got a heat index warning today.
Yeah.
So we thought we'd come early to beat the heat.
So here's a look around. We're walking around this, I think right up here past this light is where the historic district starts. So I guess you go in each bathhouse and just check them out, I guess. And I don't know, can people still use them?
There are two that you can use, but of course you have to make reservations and schedule time and all of that.
Oh.
But only two of the bathhouses are actually operational.
Okay. Oh, there we go. Get Val in the picture. So this is our first one. It's called Lamar Bathhouse. Let's see what this says. It was completed in 1923, and this one has a National Park store in it also, it looks like. Yeah. So you can buy mason jars for $6.99 and a growler for $12.99. They have a fountain. Well, I don't even want to call it a fountain, but I think it has hot springs water coming out of it. And then you fill your growler up with that. We actually just met a people. I wonder how many gallons of water they were taking. They're still up there doing it. But anyway, so they said they have well water at home, so they bring all these jugs up and fill them with this hot springs water, and then it will cool off and they will have cold water. And there we go. We got our passport
Yep.
stamp.
A little blurry.
The National Park passport.
So today's Saturday. So they do tours at 10, 12, 2, and 4.
Well, let's go find the trolley. It's going on 10.
Okay.
All right. Let's get our trolley. Sit behind you.
Okay, you're not very confused. I don't know why I'm not saying next to me.
Hope you're having a good morning down there. I do want to give you folks a little quick history about this area before we leave. Now, you know this place became a national park March 4th of 1921. You know, it was set aside as a reservation in 1832, so it makes it the oldest national park here. Now, when you folks are on this side of the street, you're in the city. You get on the opposite side of the street there, you are in the national park. No other national park like that. So it is very, very unique here. Now, guys, this is the second smallest national park here. Anybody know what the smallest national park is? You know, I had a group of ladies here from St. Louis yesterday, and you know, they didn't even know the arches there in St. Louis was a national park. So that's the smallest. Now this is the second smallest here in Hot Springs. So now, guys, I do want y'all to notice the little street here to your left. This is called Bridge Street. Now, you know, according to the Guinness Book of World Records, that's the shortest little street in the world, right there to your left. And guys, that little street there is where we hold our St. Patrick's Day parade, right there. So, yeah, that's the shortest little parade in the world that happens there. Now, you know that water comes from over 8,000 feet below that mountain. So, yeah, it's great drinking water, and you can get that downtown right across from the trolleys there. Now, you know they only use about 750,000 gallons per day downtown. And the rest of that water is released right there in that little creek. Guys, that water is hot right off to your right there. Yeah, it comes out of the mountain at 143 degrees. So it is hot water you're looking at right there to your right.
So there are, what do you say, 47? 47 hot springs that feed this area. And because of that, there is a lot of fountains. And I think the water is pretty warm coming out of the fountains. But we did go to a place and get some cold water, or cooler water, let's put it that way, that has got all the natural goodies in it that this water is known for. But the thing about it is people don't buy bottled water here because there's, I don't know, there's maybe another place, but there's certainly one or two of them that we know of where you can just pull up with your own water bottles, you know, like big ones for your home, and fill them up. And I think he said Hot Springs, the town, uses about 750,000 gallons of these natural hot spring waters every day, and there's about 1 million coming out of the mountain. So this is what's called, in here, this is called a ladies' pack room. So they would put ice, cold, and hot packs, I guess, on you, to, depending on the area of your body, supposed to be beneficial for various ailments. And now we're going to go, just leaving the pack room, and we're heading into, look at this. So here is one of the tubs. Look at the size of that faucet. That tub is seen better days. There's private rooms, huh?
Hydrotherapy.
Hydrotherapy. That looks like it'd be comfortable. Hydrotherapy. That was the hydrotherapy room. So it's pretty hard maybe to see, but right down there is the water that's bubbling up out of the ground, which provides all the hot water for this place. Wow, those are precursors to the exercise machines you see today at places like Planet Fitness. There's the machine right there, the wrist machine. Dumbbells, medicine ball. Okay, here's how we do it. So we buy a ticket, and then we hop in the tub. And then you get a scrub. Rub-a-dub-dub. Then you're going to sit in a vapor cabinet. Then you go to the pack room, and you go to the cool down room. And the patients took a needle shower of cool water, and the process would start over again the next day. And one ticket was good for up to 21 baths. A cycle that took 3 weeks to complete.
Well, that makes sense.
Holy cow. Yeah. How about that? Okay. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, okay. Xander machine. Sprained ankle. Sit in a hot cabinet. 200 degrees. Holy cow. You got a stomach ache? Drink the water. Syphilis. Mercury rub. Yeah.
Kill yourself with one thing rather than some.
There you go. You got arthritis, take a bath. Yeah, that's pretty much understandable. And you could take a walk if you have heart problems. Here is the mechanical therapy room. Wow. Adjustable weight back stretch unit. These are what's called Xander machines. Xander is the fellow who developed all this stuff. Wow. All right, so we just took a tour of a bathhouse, and that was called the Fordyce
Yes, it's the Fordyce
Bathhouse. And now we're headed down the street, and we got all kinds of stuff on the other side.
Oh yeah.
So let me get this straight. This side of the street
Is the national
is the
park.
national park,
And that side of the
and
street
that side of the street
is Hot Springs.
is the Hot Springs. All right, so have you been to Hot Springs and tried one of these hot spring baths? Drop us a note below if you've tried one of these out. So we've got there's people sitting in there. Craft Brewery Family and dog friendly.
Burgers, French fries.
That's sounding right to me. We'll go check it out. Might not be a place to sit. Not looking good. I don't see anybody with food. Well, most of them don't. Perfect.
Awesome.
Thank you. Superior Bathhouse. We're checking out the food. Do you see it?
I'm just trying to look at the and park there. So I think when we're done here, we should cross over and check out all those stores on our way back down to the truck.
Okay, so we just had lunch at this bathhouse, Superior Bathhouse, and really, really good food. Now, we ate indoors, but as you can see, they have outdoor eating. They're pretty busy with misters going on everywhere, which would have been kind of cool for lunch, but I'm thinking if you sat next to a mister, aren't you eventually going to get soaked?
I would think.
At least I would think. But anyway, it was really, really good food. And now we're in pain. And I only ate half a sandwich.
We did portion control fairly well.
We did. I ate a few fries, and I ate just about, maybe a little over half of my sandwich. And that's all I could eat. And I had a turkey club. Or actually, I had a, I think they call it just a club, but it was a turkey club. A spicy ham on it. It's really good. And no, I didn't take any pictures of
their
it.
mayo was kind of spicy because my
Was it?
BLT was a little spicy.
Oh, maybe it was the mayo then.
I think it was the mayo.
Okay, but anyway, good food if you come here. Good food if you come here. Check the place out. Superior Bathhouse, right on
Craft
Bathhouse
Brewery.
Road. And brewery, yes, brewery. Okay guys, that about wraps up our trip to Hot Springs, Arkansas today. I hope you enjoyed the little tour we provided. And if you get a chance, come down here and check it out. I don't really recommend coming out here in the middle of summer though. It's pretty hot. And if you want to try out some of the hot tubs or the massages and things, I would think you'd want to do that more in the fall, winter, maybe early spring. But I could be wrong, so this is a busy season, I guess. So, anyway, that's about it for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.